Hi friends, welcome to our channel Market Magix. Now we will see some stocks which can be accumulated on this auspicious day Diwali on the Mahurat trading. Some of you may be willing to accumulate some stocks on this Mahurat trading, so that only we will see which stocks can be accumulated on this auspicious day on the Diwali Lakshmi Pujan. So first stock that I have selected is the Tata Coffee. So on the technical charts only we will see, on that candlestick stack chart pattern only we will see, and then we will see some fundamentals also about this stock. These stocks which are selected are under 500 only, 500 rupees only, which can be selected. Those who are having very small capital and those who want to invest in the market for the short term, they can gain the same amount in the very short term only with a very less investment. The stocks which are selected are below 500 only. So the first stock is Tata Coffee, a product of Tata. See, on the daily chart we can see that it has corrected from its top, from its highs is 254, and now it is trading at the level of 213. From the top we can see that it has corrected to 213 and now it is ready to move up. In this way we can see this trend line. It has broken this trend line and is now trying to sustain above the trend line, and it is at the bottom of the daily chart CPR level. Once it crosses this 215, it will start moving up and we can get the targets of 240 or more than that also. So we can accumulate this stock on the basis that it is giving a breakout and it has corrected from the top. Lot of correction is there and now it is holding the bottom level, as there is a bottom formation over here in the previous region also. We can see here this is the support level. We can see this support level also. See, this support level is there, this one, this is the support area. See this is the support area and it is trying to sustain above this support area. If it sustains above this support area, we can, as soon as it crosses 215, we can take this for the short term and we can get the earnings in very short term. So about this stock, if we see the fundamentals, we can see the fundamentals of the Tata Coffee on going directly on the charts. See this, if you are having Zerodha account, you can go click on more option, then fundamentals, and then we can find the fundamentals of that particular company or particular stock, what that company is doing, how they are gaining, what are their gains, and all the things we can find on this. See this, we can find the fundamentals of the Tata Coffee. See, click on the fundamentals, we can get the fundamentals of this. See, this Tata Coffee Limited, it's a small cap company. What it does, we can see it over here. Tata Coffee Limited is a holding company which is engaged in production, trading and distribution of coffee, tea and allied products. Okay, now the fundamentals, see, in 1 month it has returned more than 5%, and year on year return is more than 108%. Means the company is strong enough to give the returns more than 100% year on year. Its CAGR is more than 13%. More details we can see by clicking on this button, see details. It will directly go to the ticker tip website where we can find more details about this company. Means the dividend yield, then the PE ratio, then the market capital, all the things we can study in details. If you are from the financial backgrounds, you can understand this, but if you are not understanding the financial terms, then I think you should not go in the details. You should go on the technical charts only. What the technical charts are showing, on that only we can buy the stock. Now see this details about the Tata company. The PE ratio is 29.60, while the sector P is 47.88. We are getting the stock on the cheaper PE ratio than the other sector if it is compared with the sector PE ratio. Okay, in this way we can get the details also about this company. Then the forecast and the financials, if you want to see it, we can click on this financials and we can get their yearly reports, balance sheet, and all the things to study on this website. Okay, see this, we can get all the data which is present on the this ticker tape website. Okay, now we can buy this Tata Coffee stock for the returns in the short term, as it is good on the charts, technical charts. It is not breaking the low of the previous candles. See this, it is creating, see this, it is creating higher lows pattern. Now it is ready to go up only, move up. So we will accumulate Tata. You can accumulate Tata Coffee. Now the next stock we have in the list is the Ambuja Cement. See this Ambuja Cement, we will see it on the bigger screen. See this on the daily time frame, what it is doing. It has corrected from the top 439 rupees. It has corrected and it has now started to accumulate it, and it has given the closing on the daily CPR. This is the CPR, daily CPR. It has given the closing above the daily CPR. It may consolidate here for a while. It may form this pattern like a cup and handle over here. This will form this pattern, cup and handle pattern, and it may give a solid breakout from here, and it will go, eventually it will go up only. Now see this, after a cup and handle pattern, it will break this neckline. We can see that it can break this neckline. If we draw a trend line over here, see this, it will break this trend and go up. Means what we can do, once this stock crosses the level or gives the closing above 410, 411, we can accumulate the stock for the short term gains. We can get the target of 438 or 440 or more than that also. You can even hold it for the long term. We can gain the targets. I am giving this because see this, it has corrected since many days, and after correction there is a heavy buying in this stock. We can see it, and this RSI is also having a lot of strength, so it is having a lot of potential to go up. This stock is Ambuja Cement. So in this way we can keep our portfolio diversified. We can keep different kind of stocks in our portfolio which has the potential to go up only. So if you want to see the technical fundamentals of this company, we can again go to the same, go on that stock, particular stock, click on the more button, then see the fundamentals. See these fundamentals, we can see that CAGR is more than 18%, 1 month return is about 2%, then year on year return is more than 57%. It's more than enough, right? And fundamentals are nice. It's a large cap company. They are dealing in, see this Ambuja Cement is a cement manufacturing company. This company manufactures Portland Pozzola cement. Okay, their brand is Portland Pozzola cement, which is used in the construction and all that things. If you want to see more details, we can go on the ticker tape website where we can find more details and the analyst view also. Now see this, if you go to this website, the analysts are positive, 67% positive on this stock, and we can gain some amount after the correction, though it is in the ladder. Now it is, now let's see the next stock. It has corrected a lot, that's why it will go up. Then the next stock is the Raymond also, see, it's on the very nice position now, as of now. See, after the correction, market has corrected, all the stocks have corrected, and this is the right time to accumulate the stocks. See now, if you see Raymond is at the breakout level. See this, if you see the Raymond, several times it has tested this resistance. See this resistance, this is the resistance level, and it is now trading above that resistance level. Several times it has tested over here. Okay, over here it is consolidating over here, and it is ready to give the breakout now. It is now trading at 478 rupees. It has a potential to go till, it can go up till 700, 800 or more than that. Raymond, as you know, it's a manufacturer of the fabric products, and it has a potential as the market is opened after the COVID. This was the fall due to the COVID, and now it is gaining its returns. So it has a potential, lot of potential to go up now, and it is on the breakout level, daily breakout level as well as weekly breakout level also. So but keeping a very small stop loss, we can enter this stock at the moment also. This it is very nice stock, Raymond. You can accumulate it now itself on the same day. It has a nice potential to grow, Raymond. If you want to see the fundamentals, again we can go and see the fundamentals of Raymonds. See this, if you click on this, if you see the fundamentals, even we can see the technicals also, whether to buy or not. From there we can decide. They see the CAGR is more than 13%, then monthly return is 3%, and year on year return is 71%. Even if you get 15 to 20% return in a year, it is more than enough. No bank gives you more than 6 or 7% on your FDs, so it's better to invest in the stock market to get the good returns, but stay invested for until and unless you get the proper returns. Now the next stock is Inox Wind. Inox Wind, you know that they are having many multiplex theaters. They are showing the movies to the people, and it is on the breakout level now. See, as for the technicals, we can see that on the daily time frame it's on the breakout level. It has, there is a lot of accumulation, there is a lot of buying on this level, and it is just trading at 129 rupees. It has a potential to go up, more up. It is in the uptrend. See this, making lower high patterns, and after correction it is at the breakout now. See this, it has made a, we can see this, it has made a pattern, good pattern over here. See this, it has given a breakout from this trend, from this downtrend, and it has started accumulating. This was a very huge breakout, then this here it has retested. See this trend was broken, right? Then a heavy up move, then retracement, and now it is started to move up again. From here it may wait here for some time, and from here it will go up only. Eventually it will go up only. So it has a potential to grow up. So this stock also you can accumulate. If you want to see technicals about this stock, you can go to the, in the same way you can go in the this button, then fundamentals, and you can check the fundamentals as well as technicals of this stock by clicking this button on the zero the platform. Okay, now the next stock is Heritage Food. Heritage Food is the next stock where we can see the pattern. See this, Heritage Food is also ready for the breakout on the daily time frame. After correction, market has corrected a lot, and now so all the stocks are ready to accumulate. See this, it's ready for the huge breakout now. It's after many days it has come to this level. It has tested this level several times. If it breaks this level, it will go up till, even it has a potential to go till 800 or 900 levels also. But accumulate the stock when it breaks this level and sustains. Now it is sustaining over there at this level. It is passing the time. It can be accumulated after it crosses this 530 levels, and you can keep your target. Long term target will be up to 850 rupees only. This is a nice stock. They are dealing in the food and hotels and all that things. Their fundamentals can be seen over here. If you click on the fundamentals, what they are doing, we can see. See this Heritage Food Company Limited, formerly Heritage Foods, is a fast-moving consumer goods FMCG company. The company segment are dairy, retail, agri, bakery, and renewable energies. In this way, your portfolio will be diversified portfolio in the different sectors. You will have the stocks in your portfolio with very less investment. I have selected these stocks under 500 only, so that you can invest a very little amount of money and gain profits from that. Then the next stock is Gujarat Gas Limited. Gujarat Gas Limited has corrected a lot, and there is an accumulation at the bottom, and it is trading above the daily time frame CPR. There is a lot of accumulation over here. Sellers have tried to sell, and there was a lot of correction. Now the accumulation phase is going on. We can also accumulate this. Gujarat Gas Limited is a nice company. What it does, let us see. See, the Gujarat Gas Company is engaged in the natural gas business in Gujarat. It's a very nice company. CAGR is 32%, monthly return is 4.21%, and annual return on this stock is 115% return. Most of the analysts are totally bullish on this stock. You can accumulate this stock also. And the next stock is Tata Power. Tata Power, this stock has actually came from bottom. It has accumulated lot of, and it has given a lot of returns to the investors up till now. But at this moment, actually, after a correction, see this, there was no correction. Though the market corrected a lot, there was no heavy selling in this stock, and after a little bit selling, it has started to accumulate again. From here you can accumulate, and you can carry it for the long term. Even if you carry it for the 10 years also, it can give you nice returns. Tata Power is the company from the Tata Group. You can see the fundamentals of this company. Tata Power Company Limited is an integrated power company engaged in the generation, transmission, distribution, and trading of the electricity. It is also engaged in mining and trading of coal. It's a big unit. It's a large cap company. It can give you nice return. In a single month only, it has given you 36% returns, and year on year returns are 327%. It is a huge return. So if you accumulate the Tata Power on this auspicious day of Diwali, please hold it for the long term. You can hold it for 10 years. You can, as if you are making some provision for your children's, you can hold it. Okay. Then the next company is the India Sim. India Sim is a cement company. See this India Sim. Fundamentals of this India Sim are very nice. See this year on year return are 73%, monthly return is 2%, CAGR is 16%. If you get on the see the detailed info about the analyst and the financials, also we can find that this company is growing day by day, and we can accumulate this stock. See this, after a correction of the market, after the formation of higher lows, this formation is broken over here, and now the accumulation is started. See this, and now it is forming lower highs, and lower highs, and from here it will eventually go up, and it has a lot of potential to go up. You can hold it for the longer term as an investment. It has a lot of potential. It can give you huge returns in upcoming years. You can hold it for the long term also. Then the Jindal Steel is there. Jindal Steel also, it is trading above the CPR. That's why I have selected it. It is trading about the moving averages on the daily time frame. And the metal sector, it is one of the good stock in the metal sector. In this way, you can make your portfolio diversified. Now we are having the stock from the metal sector, from the cement sector, from the power sector, from the food sector, from the fabric sector, from the film industry, which are screening industry, Inox means multiplex industry, and the last one we can see this DLF. DLF, what is this DLF? We can see in the fundamentals what they are doing, what this company is all about. This is a large cap company. DLF Limited is engaged in the business of real estate development activity. Its primary business is development of residential, commercial and retail properties. DLF is also working with the government. They are having a lot of contracts with them. Its PE ratio is good. It is working very heavily in its sector. Then CAGR is about 49%. In yearly returns, see the yearly returns of this stock DLF 158% returns it gives, and now we are getting it on the correction level, and now the accumulation is going on. It is going, see this, its behavior after each and every consolidation it moves up. See this, if we can see DLF, see this, how it's how the behavior of the stock is. See this, how this stock gets corrected, then moves up, then again correction, then again moves up, then again correction, then again moves up. Now this is the correction again, then again accumulation is there, and now it has a potential to go up only. So you can accumulate this stock also, DLF. If you want to see more details about the DLF, you can go to the ticker tape website and you can find the more technicals and fundamentals. You can analyze from there and you can accumulate the stock. With this, we are having just 10 stocks in our portfolio which can be accumulated from this. Whichever you like, you can accumulate it. All these stocks are having nice potential. In this month only they can move up. That's why I have selected the stocks, and from this Tata Power and India SEM, these two stocks can be held for the long term, and other stocks, as soon as you get some returns about 15 to 20%, you can exit from the stock wherever you find the returns about 15 to 20%. So how to enter and how to exit the stock we'll learn in some other video also, but at the moment for this Lakshmi Pujan, for this Mahurat trading, you can accumulate these stocks under 500. So thank you dear friends. We will meet in the other video also. If you want the stocks which are with means we are having price more than 1000, I am going to make other video on that, which will be definitely going up, and they are from the large cap only. So these are the small cap as well as some of the large cap companies, and I have provided with the stocks which has the potential to move up from this stage only. That's why I have provided these stocks. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.